gonna do a little test today. So we got Saul running 40 miles, almost 40 miles, 38 miles. And it's a beautiful day in Fort Lauderdale. So he's gonna run from Fort Lauderdale all the way to Delray Beach. That sounds easy, but it's not. So good luck.
What are you doing?
We are at the Hall of Fame for Lauderdale, about to run 38, 36 miles up north to Delray Beach. My piriformis is messed up. Again, my abductors are kind of like weak, but and my mid back is like bothering me, but hopefully we'll pass after mile 20 because everything will be in pain.
Pain and beauty. This contradiction is ever present in the world of long-distance running, and Saul knows this better than anybody. You can be in the most wonderful environment, with imagery and sensory stimulation in abundance, but the challenge is to keep your mind focused on the goal and the small steps to get you to the finish line.
The morning weather, I think it's beautiful. I'm actually a little cold.
This is nothing until 12:30 p.m.
With only 3 weeks remaining until the Keys 100, Saul's team embarked on a 35-mile tune-up run. The goal was to identify any weaknesses in the team's process and create a refined plan to deal with hotter, more humid conditions in the Florida Keys, while getting Saul's mind ready to endure the pain of a 50-mile challenge.
It's still early in the day, so there's not much happening. He has good energy. We're gonna see what happens now for the next hour around there. He's already starting to get a little cranky.
Yeah, but he's gonna do it. He's very strong, so he's gonna do it. He's doing good. We're excited.
In the days before this tune-up run, Saul huddled up the team, including crew leader Foster Rodriguez. All logistics were reviewed, from nutrition and supplements during the run to beverages, chase vehicle assignments, radio communications. The plan even included chiropractic support mid-run to manage Saul's spine and muscles to prevent injury. About an hour and a half into the run, Saul hit a snag when his support team was late to a checkpoint.
He was looking for us at one point. We stopped to have breakfast. That was our mistake, obviously.
You can leave me alone, but not without water, man. I don't know where the f they are. I'll call them.
We weren't even like 20 minutes, but then we got lost. We were going the opposite direction. Saul had actually passed where we stopped to have breakfast. We started calling, one of the other crew members, asking them where they were to drop us a pin. As the crew, you have to always understand that things are gonna happen unexpectedly. We have to expect that. So we always have to just be prepared.
This episode of NEX-XOS Project Dash is brought to you by O-Meals, changing the way you eat anywhere, anytime, anyway. The weather in South Florida could not have been more perfect for the end of April, with low humidity and temperatures in the mid-70s by the time Saul hit Deerfield Beach, about 18 miles into the run. The team expects the conditions to be drastically different by May 19th in the Florida Keys.
It's a tough one. I just feel it. I need to do this shit like 38 times more.
We'll see how he goes as he talks. We'll see how the mood changes soon.
You guys should go. You're taking way too long. This is when you separate the boys from the men. You gotta keep moving. Suck it up. It's the only way. Hey, there is a reason why not everybody do this, okay? And there is a reason why you signed up for this. Think about that the next 3 miles. Suck it up. Just keep moving. Put a little bit. And It's gonna be fun.
I was feeling a little nervous, but excited to do this. The fact that I had on my team and I had Fausto with me, you know, I was confident that I was in good hand. I couldn't do it without this guy, honestly. He knows where to push, how to lead, what to do. So, thank you, Fausto.
Ah, baby! You did it, you did it.
After mile 25, everything started to hurt. Heart was like so up. Ankles were like burning. You see, this is what you get after mile 25 without taking care of your shoes. As I said, no matter how impossible it can look like, if you have the good team and good support, you can do it.